All right, tonight's first question is Chapter 6, Question 56, and we are supposed to graph the following points. So again, it wants you to connect them in order. So just to get you started, if we go over one, up one, you'll be plopping the point right here. And then if you go over one, up 5, which will be right here, they want you to plot a point. So once you have your 2 points, you may want to connect your lines, as the next point is 5, 5, which is over here. And then you will make a shape. Now the shape, I will tell you, is not a perfect square or a rectangle or triangle. So don't be alarmed when the sides don't match up. Then you have to just tell me the area of the shape. You can count the squares, do whatever you need to, and then give me the perimeter, the outside of the shape. Next question, Ms. Perez is giving her class a pizza party because each student completed the school-wide book reading challenge. If an extra large pizza costs $15 and serves 8 people, how much should Mrs. Perez expect to pay for pizzas for her class of 28 students? So they give you 2 very important things to look into there. She told you that her class has 28 students and that one pizza costs $15 and only serves 8 people. So again, how many pizzas is she going to have to buy to feed 28 students, and how much will that cost? Because it's asking for expect to pay. So make sure that one, you have enough pizzas for 28 students, and that you multiply how many pizzas you buy by 15 to give us the expected cost. Moving to the back of your worksheet, you got 2 generic rectangles that have been started. Again, B is a little more difficult than A. Again, look at what you know already. So 20 times something is 1600. So again, I'm going to highlight and just look at the 16. So I know that 2 times 8 is 16. So if I put an 8 up here, and I have 2 zeros and there's 1 0 here, so I'm going to have to add another 0. So I got 80 times 20. Looking at the last one again, I have 30 there. This is a key number for me right here, 2,700. So 3 times what is 27? That is 9. So you have 9 times 3 is 27. I have 1 0 here, so I will add a 0 there. Looking then down to the next side, this is a key number here, 3,600. How am I going to get 3,600? Or right here, I have 5. So I know 30 times 5, 3 times 5 is 15. I add a 0. So what am I multiplying here to get 45? I know this is 5, so this must be 9. And pick another color here. So looking up top, 9 times what is 36? That would be 4. And since I have 2 zeros, this would be 400. So after you find out all your remaining boxes, you have to add them up and get your total area. All right, pretty easy questions to go. Each of these problems assume that people divide the food evenly. Write your answer as a division problem in the fraction form, number over number. So like the first one says, if 2 people share 3 hamburgers, how many should each person get? So again, it's asking for how much food. So if we have 3 hamburgers and 2 people, how many times does 2 go into 3? 1, one's left over. So each person will get 1 1/2 hamburgers. And the same format goes through B through E. Last problem, they give you 145% on the fraction portion, so you just have to write that as a fraction, a decimal. Percent is done, and then you have to draw a picture of it or tell me this in words, or the decimal words. All right, pretty easy homework tonight. Thanks for tuning in. Hope we helped you out, and we'll see you in class tomorrow.